They're the infrastructure of modern civilization. Yet these bridges, interstate highways, modern buildings, and even the artistic works inside all share one thing in common. They've all been built with CCPs, or coal combustion products.
This building here is made out of coal combustion products. Basically, we use the fly ash, is what has been used for these products here. And the significance of it, it really is kind of a showcase for what you can do with what used to be what ended up in a landfill.
Coal is the source of more than half of America's electricity generation. With coal-fueled power comes coal ash and other byproducts captured in emission control systems. These include fly ash and bottom ash, over 125 million tons of leftover material each year. Once discarded as a waste product, these products of coal combustion are now considered energy-efficient, high-performance building materials that are being used in some of our nation's most famous landmarks.
San Francisco Bay Bridge, Hoover Dam, the EPA building in Washington, D.C.
The 35W bridge in Minneapolis that collapsed in August of 2007 is being built right now using high percentages of fly ash. And the reason they're using it is not because of cost, not because it's green, although it is. It's used because it creates a better product, a more flexible and durable product that will withstand the test of time.
Specifically when it's used in concrete, it lowers the water demand in the concrete, lowers the permeability of the concrete, improves the finishability, the placeability of the concrete, increases the long-term strength, improves the freeze-thaw durability of the concrete, and actually makes the concrete stronger and better and makes it last longer.
Coal-fueled power plants like the Coal Creek Station in central North Dakota are concrete examples of the environmental stewardship being undertaken by the energy industry today.
Behind me is called a fly ash dome. It houses between 85 to 100,000 tons of fly ash that 5 years ago would have been disposed of in a landfill because of the slowness in construction during the winter season, but now we capture it in the off-season, and then when we start up in the spring, it's available to us. The fly ash is primarily used in ready-mix concrete, either in paving projects or building projects, and it replaces Portland cement powder, which is the primary active ingredient in ready-mix concrete. From an environmental aspect, for every ton of fly ash used instead of Portland cement, it saves 1 ton of carbon dioxide from entering the atmosphere. Portland cement consumes virgin materials that are mined, and we can slow those productions by utilizing a recycled material.
Buildings like the Fort Mandan Visitor Center in North Dakota are shining examples of how architecture and construction can be designed with the environment in mind, using energy-efficient materials and coal combustion products. Here, everything from the carpet to the central fireplace are constructed from fly ash building materials.
It's amazing what the fly ash can be used for. If you're looking back at the building, you see the rock that's on the building. It actually looks like natural stone, but it was actually made out of fly ash components. Underneath the building, behind the rock, we actually have what is called Flexcrete bricks. And they're just like a concrete brick, except they're mixed with fly ash instead. And so they're a lot lighter than an actual concrete brick would be, but they're also stronger than a concrete brick. So you'll see lots of different uses and applications for the fly ash when you come to this site. People are very aware of their environment and energy right now, and so anything we can do to help with that is certainly good.
As the voice of the coal combustion products industry, the American Coal Ash Association is working hard to dispel the myths that have led to skepticism and resistance in using coal combustion products in America and worldwide. The use of fly ash and other industrial byproducts not only help conserve our natural resources, but strengthen our nation's infrastructure.
I think one thing is sustainability, and it is a green building product, and it reduces the carbon dioxide footprint in America, reduces our dependency on foreign imports of cement.
Fly ash was originally marketed and sold because it was less expensive and green. It's great that it's a green product, but the main message is that it creates better concrete. It does a better thing for us. It's not used because it is green, although it is a great thing. It is used because it makes a better product.
Today, coal combustion products have a new purpose. They are ingredients that improve concrete, mortar, stucco, shingles, carpet, bricks, and a variety of other building materials. And they're the future of building and environmental stewardship. For more information, visit acaa-usa.org.